Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to point domain to Bluehost hosting. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to point our domain to Bluehost. So we are in Bluehost hosting, and then you see domain. So click on it, and then you see assign domain. So again click on it. Now assign domain section open. So our domain is hosting on GoDaddy. Now you see step 1, enter domain. So use a domain that is not already associated with your account. Now you can enter your name. Now select. Please type a valid domain name. Now paste. So this is our domain. Now verifying domain. Now scroll down. You see step 2, verify ownership. To verify ownership of this domain, please point the name server for the domain. So we are going to add this name server to GoDaddy domain. Now you see ns1 bluehost.com, ns2 bluehost.com. The name server are currently set to ns25 domaincontrol.com. So we are going to replace name server in GoDaddy because our domain is hosting on GoDaddy. Also you see multiple options. You may also set the DNS record for the domain, a record, to point this, so you can follow any instruction according to your requirement. Now copy this name server and go to GoDaddy. Now we are in GoDaddy, so this is our domain, and then you see DNS, so click on it. Now DNS management open, and then you see name server, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see change name server, so click on it. Now edit name server. Now select I will use my own name server, so select this option. Now we are going to add. Now go to Bluehost again. Copy this. Now paste and then click on save. Now you see edit name server. So click on continue. Now you see message success. Your request is in progress. Now refresh the page. Now go to name server, so click on it. Now you see using custom name server. Now name server change. Now back to Bluehost hosting and refresh the page again. So we added Bluehost name server in GoDaddy domain. Now select user domain. Now write your domain. Now verifying domain. And then you see step 2, verify ownership. Ownership verified. The name server for domain is this. Now scroll down. Step 3, select add-on domain. Again scroll down. Step 4, select create a new directory. Choose add-on directory and subdomain. And then click on assign this domain. So click on it. Now scroll down. You see domain is added. Now you see. So it will take few hours to propagate and then you will start work. Now scroll down. You see advanced. So open it. Now we are in cPanel and then you see software. So click on WordPress. Then you see install. So click on it. Then you see software setup and then you see domain drop down. Now select. Now you see this is our domain. So in this way you can point GoDaddy domain to Bluehost. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.